Hi, the purpose of this video is to show how you can use a move function to convert a decimal number to a B3 memory file, activate these B3 memory files in certain sequence outputs on the output card. Now, a specific number will give you a specific sequence or order of operations here, and I'm gonna try this number 42, and we'll see that 42 when it converts into a B memory. So here it goes. I'm online already, so I'm just gonna trigger this bit, and right here move 42 to B3 0, and what's it's done, it's activated B301, B303, and B305, and as a result the rung has become true, and it's energized relay 5, relay 3, and relay 1. Now, to deactivate these, need to deactivate that switch and press this input, and essentially what it's doing is sending the 0 back to the B3 memory file with this button here. I'm going to deactivate, so now it's all zeroed out. And the way it looks on the B3 file data table is that you trigger this on the binary code, it gives you this. On the output, it gives you this. So what we're doing is we're activating these bits here for that switch, and it's moving these. And the way you find out what number it is that you convert this binary code to decimal, and it gives you a 42. You convert that to a decimal, it gives you 42. So that's how you use that. Now, in order for me to use another number, I'd have to go offline and enter. I'm going to try 20, and I'm going to load this back on the processor. Go online, download, because the values have changed, so you have to download again. Now I'm going to switch this to run, and here we go. Trigger that. Now what I've done is with the number 20 is moved it to the memory B3 file, and what it's done is activated B30 bit 2, B30 bit 4, which in activated relay 4 and relay 2. What that looks like on the output data file is 2 and 4, and the binary is 2 and 4. So I'm going to try a different number. I'm going to go with number 65. Download again to the processor. Go back on run mode, and then activate the switch. And 65 has given me B30 and B36, and it's energized relay 6 and relay 2. And this is your output table. It's energized relay 0 on bit 0, and relay 6 on bit 6. So what it's doing is sending the number from a decimal form, 65, and it's sending it to binary, and this is the equivalent of that 65 number. This is considered these 16 digits, because you count the 0 through 15, that's 16 digits. That's considered a word, and this is the card number 2. On the B, this is the word, 16 digits is the word, output is the number of the word, and the B3 is a memory type of file. So I'm going to go back offline, and if you want to energize a certain sequence, for instance, if you want to energize outputs 1, you enter a 1 there. If you want a 1, 2, and 3, you enter a 1 there, enter a 1 there, and then you convert the binary to a decimal, so it gives you a number 14. So number 14 is the equivalent of those 3 bits, so you enter the number 14 here, and see how that, go back online, download, then switch back to run mode, and trigger the push button, and see, it gave you relay 1, relay 2, relay 3 on output 301, 302, and 303. And that is the decimal 14. So this is just a different perspective and the relationship between the decimal numbers and the binary codes, or the binary words, and when you move one into another, what that information does, or as converting different numbers to different sequences of events. In this case, B3 memories to outputs on the actual cards. So in this program, these two are actually input on an input card, on an input module. This is internal, and also the B3 memories are internal. They're like relays inside the program, within the program. And these are actually outputs. Output 2, bit 0, output 2, bit 1, output 2, bit 2, and thus all the way down to bit 6. And this is just a different way of looking at the relationship between the decimal numbers and the binary memory. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's it.